Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set up your LG TV. Before you start setting up your TV, I highly recommend downloading the LG ThinQ app on your smartphone or maybe tablet in order to make the setup process much easier for you, as you will not have to use your remote control to enter your Wi-Fi network password and your credentials. You will also be able to sign into your LG ThinQ account using, for example, your Google account or Apple account, depending on which device you're using. So just grab your smartphone or your tablet and open the Play Store or the App Store if you're using an Android and iPhone or iPad. Then search for the LG ThinQ app. Find it. Looks like this. It's the official app by LG Electronics. Then download and install it. And we're gonna open it later. And right now, let's press the middle D-pad button on your remote control or the joystick button, or as it's called, OK button or wheel. Then select language. If you're using a remote with a D-pad, then use up and down arrow keys to navigate and OK to select the language. After that, press the right arrow key and select next. After that, select the country, and it's very important that you select the country that you have selected on your smartphone. So select your country, just like you selected the language, select next. Then you can also set up accessibility settings if you want to do it right now, but I recommend doing it later in settings unless you need to set up your accessibility settings right now. So if you want to select the option on the left, if you want to set them up later, then select the option on the right. After that, select setup with your mobile device, and after, navigate to next option and select it. Now what you have to do is scan the QR code you see on your TV screen using your smartphone's camera, and also make sure that your smartphone is connected to Wi-Fi. Tap on the link you see on your smartphone screen. Now to select turn on, then done. Then you're gonna have to connect your TV to your smartphone by providing the code that you see on the screen of your TV on your smartphone. Okay, something just went wrong, so let me for now skip this step and provide a password for my Wi-Fi. If you want to switch the Wi-Fi, if you want to change it to a different one, you can open the list of Wi-Fis and select the one that you want to connect to. Okay, let me enter the password. Then tap connect, and then keep your smartphone close to your TV and wait for the next screen to appear on your smartphone. Now select next, then select terms and conditions to proceed. You can also give some additional agreements like voice info, like agreement to personalized ads, etc. If you want to, just select the options that you want to use, and then tap agree. Then if you want to read the user agreements now, select read now, otherwise tap later, then select sign in to sign into your LG ThinQ account. Yeah, and after that, okay, right now we are signed in. For me, this process was quick because I am already signed in on my smartphone, but if you're not, I recommend using your side account, your Google account or Apple account to sign in, because it will be much quicker for you. Now let's tap agree. Now if you want to set up LG Hub, select the option on the right. Or no, select skip. For some reason I cannot set up LG Hub right now, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna work on my TV later. Anyway, select TV only, and select next, and then select your device installation type, either stand if your device is standing, or if it's mounted, select wall mounted. In my case, I'm gonna go with the first option. Okay, right now you can also enable the screensaver by switching this toggle to the right and selecting yes. If you don't want it, keep it switched to the left. After that, select next. Now you can either disagree or agree to automatic update. If you want to agree to automatic update, keep this toggle switched to the right, otherwise switch it to the left. Then select next. And if your device has any updates, they will be downloaded and installed in the background while you are setting up your TV. Now select, if you want to tune your programs, select the TV connection type that you're using, and then select next. I'm not using any of this, so I'm gonna select exit and skip this step. Okay. And right now the setup is pretty much finished. So let's wait for the home screen to appear. Oh, not yet. So if you want to download some additional applications on your TV, like Alexa and Prime Video, check the circle next to them. And then select next. Now wait for the apps that you selected to be installed. And then select next. And right now everything is done. So enjoy using your LG TV. I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.